In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide pages in Google Sites. Sometimes you want a page to exist on your site, but you don't want it to show up in the menu where everyone can click it. Maybe it's a draft, a seasonal page, or something you only want to share with people who have a direct link. Hiding a page from navigation is perfect for that. It keeps the page live without cluttering your menu or confusing visitors. Start by opening your Google site in edit mode. You'll know you're in the right place if you see the site editor with your page canvas and the editing controls. This is where you make changes safely before they go live to your audience. On the right side of the editor, click the Pages tab. This panel shows your site structure, every page and subpage in a clear list. It's the easiest place to manage what appears in your site's navigation and how your content is organized. Next, find the page you want to hide in that list. Hover your mouse over its name and click the three vertical dots, also known as the overflow menu. This menu holds page-specific options so you can make changes without opening the page itself. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct page, especially if you have similar names or nested pages. Choose Hide from Navigation. As soon as you do, Google Sites marks that page as hidden. It won't appear in your site's top bar or side menu for visitors. The page isn't deleted and you can still open and edit it exactly as before. If your site is public and someone has the direct URL, the page can still be viewed, so think of this as a visibility change in the menu, not a security setting. A few helpful notes as you work. Hidden pages remain part of your site hierarchy, and each page's visibility is controlled individually, so hiding one page doesn't automatically hide its subpages. Your navigation order and styling stay intact. You've simply removed one item from the visible menu. If you see a small hidden indicator next to the page name in the editor, that's normal. It's there to remind you the page won't show in navigation. And when you publish updates to your site, the hidden status is preserved so the page stays out of the menu for visitors. That's all it takes. Open your site in edit mode, go to Pages, hover over the page, and choose Hide from Navigation. It's a clean, reversible way to control what appears in your site's menu while keeping your content available behind the scenes.